What up, everybody? Welcome back. I had to go get a new hat. We sold out of hats, so I had to go buy a hat at Mile High. So today, got something exciting for you. Check it. Hell yeah, that's what's up. Stoked, man. So I'm stoked right now. Got a Thundermax finally, so I can check that out. So check this out. Some pretty sweet little case, bro. Boom, let's go. Your O2 sensors and baro sensors, I believe. This is like literally above my whole realm of mechanics stuff. Like I'm not the bomb, dude. I suck actually. But I get my shit done. I mean, that's all that matters, right? It rips. So there's the directions, everything I need. Here's your cables. Cable for the computer. You're gonna need to flash a base map onto this. You need a PC computer. So I gotta locate a PC computer for that. But yeah, I'm gonna kind of run through these directions right here and just kind of see what it's all about. Bro, I am not a fucking mechanic. All right, here we go. I mean, fuck. This little guy, probably super easy to do. Looks like it's real easy to clip in. It's just getting those things out can be such a pain in the ass. Coming from the other side with a pick. I don't ever have the right fucking pick. Here we fucking go. Here we go. Here we go. Maddie's home too. First up, I'm just gonna disassemble. Hey, Maddie. Hey. Just gonna disassemble it so I can get the ECM out. And then I'll work with the Thundermax stuff. Let's go. Take the seat off. Hey, stop fucking eating shit. Maddie, Baghdaddy Maddie. Coors killer. Hey, killer, kill. Killer, what is on your eye, bro? The fuck is that? Yo, come here. Oh, don't open your eye. Don't open your eye. There you go. Fucking little homeless man. See it? Oh. God, I can't wait to get rid of this piece of shit. Don't ever buy this. This is terrible. It's basically a parasite. That's how my homie described it to me. You have your ECU, which tells the bike to do something, and then this thing's like, nope, do this. And it's just like, it delays your whole bike. It's fucking stupid. Get rid of that. Dumb, right? Super dumb. So stupid. I don't know what that even is. All right, let's go. Take this side cover off. Here's my ECM right here. So I'm gonna pull out this whole caddy that they got right here. And so I can access it from the back and unscrew the whatever clip that holds this ECM in. And then I'm gonna fucking read the goddamn directions again, because like I said, I have no idea what the fuck I'm really doing, so it's the best way to do it. Maddie's actually gonna chop my fender for me. Thanks, Maddie. Goodbye. So I'm actually gonna get this bike painted. I know, it's fucking amazing black, but it's really easy to just get it black again, you know? And so I'm gonna paint my bike, which hopefully you guys will see soon. But while we're doing that, we're gonna get the fender cut. I'm gonna throw this Thundermax on it and probably go ride it this weekend, see how fun it is playing on the limiter, like all these guys. And then, yeah. But yeah, stay tuned. This bike's gonna look so sick when I'm done with it, I think. My homie Ryan Sanders at Hard Luck Garage, he's gonna paint it here in Denver. He's the homie. He rides with us all the time. He's amazing at what he does. And so I'm real excited to see what he does with it. But yeah, so I'm just basically grabbing a T40. Frame for the backbone, and then don't lose these. Try not to lose them. And there's one more bolt right in the middle here too, and I believe, I don't know what size it is. Can you tell the guys how to cut a fender?
I'm no expert, but I've done a few.
Dude, you've done some pretty good fenders. Splash to. I did that one. Yeah, look at this one, dude. This one's fucking perfect, dude. Like right after you get that all painted. It's fucking brand new at this.
And it's not like, I did a little bit of it and then brought it back home to put it on the bike, and I want to make sure I liked everything with it before I finished it. I haven't finished it yet. But.
Yeah. Girl's dog took this and I couldn't find it. And watch, it's totally the one that's gonna fit. Yep, like a glove. Get out of here. Ooh, karma's a bitch, bro. So yeah, what are you doing over here?
Putting a tape line here so I can kind of. Okay, so
look! You just took my fucking tool again. No. See, I wasn't fucking lying.
The ideal way to do this is how Chase would do it. Is he brings like a laser level home, which I guess I could bring home one from work, but I don't think you really need it. But so I'm just putting a tape line so I can like stand back and look to see. Basically, like
what are you trying to align with these lines?
Like 12 o'clock is pretty much if you were to stick like a 2x4 or something
against the tire
on the floor and against the tire, and it ran straight up, and obviously the fender's here right now. But so if the 2x4 ran straight up, you would want to cut this fender to where you'll have your plate, and then you'll have titanium on the plate, and you want that titanium to basically stick out and touch the 2x4. So basically you want it to be exactly
so you compensate,
so
you cut the fender to where the 2x4 is, and then cut a little bit extra that you would have for your plate and your titanium.
You could do it to where the titanium sticks out over the tire, but that's kind of cheating.
No, we don't fuck with that.
I'm not fuck with that.
Yeah,
so
we don't play that game.
We could cut you deep.
Well, you guys play that game. I'm not playing that game.
This bike's actually going to be fun to scrape.
Yeah.
Mine's not.
Yeah.
So
yeah, that's fucking scary to scrape. Look at this. Look at that. 12's way over here on wide angle. Just so you know. Oh, man. All right.
So I'm going to cut small.
And just kind of cruise back.
Cut small, and then, I can take a piece of cardboard or something, lay it there to kind of see if it, looks good.
All right. I took that 3/16 bolt out, and this whole caddy should just fucking kind of be real loose here. Okay. I'm gonna need 2 hands. Catch you later, Kelly.
Start playing around with probably trimming the sides too. If we down, still kind of looks cool. Makes the dyno look
more aggressive.
Makes it look taller, I think.
Yeah, totally having the gap.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, that's the gap we all want, bro. So, couldn't sleep, so thought I'd just come down. I pulled out this piece of absolute trash. If you have this, first thing to do, take it, throw it in the fucking trash. Pulled out the stock ECU. There's just 2 bolts on the back of this caddy, and then it just came right out. Unplugged. So this is like the main ECU plug that did plug into here, and this is like a harness for this trash, whatever. Fucking forget about that. But I got to go through, and you got to pull these little plugs out of the wiring harness thing here. And so I went through and I did that, and now I just need to wire in this cable. This is so you can hook your laptop up to it and set all your parameters and stuff. So I'm going to do that next. So, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys where I was at. And yeah, took my fender Maddie, I pulled my fender off. Maddie had to go to work, so I just pulled my fender off for him. And it's laying over there by the house, and he's gonna take it to work and make it all sick. Excited. But yeah, I'll keep you posted after I get a little bit further. So, got that cable. Green wire goes into number 32 on here. White wire is going into 16. And then black wire in port number 10. Pulled out number 10, which was just a redundant ground wire, and then heat shrinked it. I'm just gonna tuck it in here and then make sure this is all routed out the same way. Close it up and keep going. All right, got it all clipped back together. I'm gonna route this through the caddy and then in here. Right now I'm gonna get my thunder header, throw it in, bolt it all up, get it all plugged in, and then go from there, I guess. We'll see. So, got the caddy back bolted to the frame, the ECU bolted to the caddy, the oxygen sensor plugged in and routed towards the front. Got this laptop plug for the tuning in. I put dielectric grease in all of the connectors, for longevity. Got this hooked up. So yeah, moving forward, this is actually super chill, not hard at all. Really relaxing, really like it. So yeah, catch you soon. Well, I finished it. It was fucking actually super fucking chill, super easy. Thundermax makes it awesome for you. Like the O2 sensors are separate so you can spin them on and then just connect them with connectors. So I ran the connectors all the way up the front one for the front sensor, up the neck and around down into there. And then the rear one just ran from right there into here, coiled it all up and put it in there nice. No sharp edges or anything. So that way it's not gonna get messed up. But yeah, so Thundermax, stoked. Now, like, all I gotta do is hook up the laptop to it, load a bass map on it, because I got a 2-in-1 and an air cleaner, so like, you know, stage 1, stage 2, whatever the fuck that is. Throw a bass map in it, and then go rip it, you know, for 20 minutes and let it auto-tune itself, and that should be it, man. So, got it downloaded, I think. My homie Mick Bro, at Mick Bro, link right here. That kid helped me out a bunch, man, just by kind of walking me through what this is. All right, so I loaded the bass map into the software here, and now it says go into your tuning maps, which is right here, and then your module configuration, which is right here. And I think in here is where you can set all your parameters for, you know, your rev limiter, idle, things like that. And here it is, so rev limit. We wanna bring this down. We're gonna bring this down to, we're gonna try 58, 56. I think that'll be cool. Idle 976, I think that's pretty good. All of the other stuff is fucking, yeah, what? So writing my files, it was super easy. It linked up, went through, chose the BBK hot tune that I did with the 58, 56. And currently successful written on the module. So I'm gonna hit OK on that. And I guess I should have it pretty much set up. All right, third reset, let it link up. Get all this off the vibrating, baby. Let it link up. BBK hot tune, bud. All right, let's let it idle for 15 seconds, see what happens here. Oh my goodness, that's incredible. Yes. Boys, check this shit out.